The magic of Bontemps Proprietary Prompt Engineering, a deep dive. Bontemps Proprietary Prompt Engineering is not just a tool. It's a transformative framework that redefines how real estate investors approach decision-making, strategy execution, and wealth building. By combining decades of real estate expertise with cutting-edge AI technology, Terry has created a system that empowers users to unlock their full potential in the competitive world of real estate investing. Below is an in-depth exploration of the magic behind his proprietary prompt engineering. 1. Grounded in decades of expertise. Terry Bontemps prompts are built on 40-plus years of real estate investing experience, making them uniquely tailored to the challenges and opportunities of the industry. Unlike generic AI solutions, his prompts are infused with proven methodologies that have consistently delivered extraordinary results for his clients. This foundation ensures that every prompt is not only actionable, but also deeply rooted in real-world success. Key insight. Terry's prompts are not theoretical. They are practical tools derived from his personal journey of overcoming financial setbacks, mastering foreclosure investing, and scaling portfolios across 6 major U.S. markets. This depth of experience makes his prompts unparalleled in their relevance and effectiveness. 2. Precision through proprietary formulas. At the heart of Terry's prompt engineering lies his proprietary formulas, such as ROI, return on investment, MAO maximum allowable offer, and ARV, after repair value calculations. These formulas are designed to eliminate guesswork and provide users with precise, data-driven insights that maximize profitability and minimize risks. Key insight. The prompts automate these calculations, allowing users to focus on strategic decision-making rather than manual computations. For example, a prompt might guide a user to calculate the MAO for a property with an ARV of $250,000 and repair costs of $50,000, ensuring the offer aligns with profitability goals. 3. Scenario-based design for real-world application. Terry's prompts simulate real-world scenarios, enabling users to practice strategies and visualize outcomes in a risk-free environment. Whether it's negotiating with banks, analyzing foreclosure opportunities, or structuring creative financing deals, the prompts prepare users for the complexities of real estate transactions. Key insight. Scenario-based prompts are particularly powerful because they allow users to test multiple strategies and adapt to dynamic market conditions. For instance, a prompt might simulate a negotiation with a motivated seller, offering tailored responses to objections like, "Your offer is too low," or "I need more time to decide." 4. Integration with AI-driven tools. The magic of Terry's prompt engineering is amplified by its seamless integration with AI-driven tools like chatbots, deal analyzers, and market prediction engines. This synergy enhances functionality and user experience, making the prompts more than just static instructions. They become dynamic, interactive guides. Key insight. For example, a prompt integrated with an AI chatbot might analyze a user's input, e.g., property details, repair costs, and provide real-time feedback on deal profitability, negotiation strategies, and risk factors. This level of interactivity ensures users receive personalized, actionable advice. 5. Personalization at scale. Terry's prompts are designed to adapt to individual user goals, preferences, and experience levels. Whether a user is a beginner navigating their first deal or an advanced investor managing a portfolio of bulk REOs, the prompts provide customized guidance that aligns with their unique needs. Key insight. The prompts leverage user profiles and behavior tracking to deliver tailored recommendations. For instance, a beginner might receive simplified prompts that focus on foundational concepts like ROI, while an advanced user might access prompts for scaling portfolios or flipping notes to hedge funds. 6. Actionable and results-oriented. Unlike generic prompts that offer vague suggestions, Terry's proprietary prompts are laser-focused on delivering actionable steps that users can implement immediately. Each prompt is designed to drive results, whether it's securing a discounted note, negotiating repair credits, or identifying high-potential investment areas. Key insight. A prompt might guide a user through drafting a negotiation script for a bank, emphasizing key points like the bank's need to offload non-performing assets and the user's ability to close quickly. This level of specificity ensures users can translate insights into successful outcomes. 7. Empowering confidence and mastery. Terry's prompts are not just tools, they are confidence builders. By simplifying complex concepts and providing clear guidance, the prompts empower users to approach real estate investing with clarity and conviction. This is particularly valuable for beginners who may feel intimidated by the industry's complexities. Key insight. For example, a prompt might walk a user through calculating ROI for a fix and flip property, explaining each step in simple terms. This not only builds confidence but also equips users with the knowledge to replicate the process independently. 8. Democratizing wealth creation. One of the most transformative aspects of Terry's prompt engineering is its ability to make wealth building accessible to everyday people. By removing barriers like lack of credit, capital, or experience, the prompts empower users to participate in real estate investing and achieve financial freedom. Key insight. Terry's prompts are designed to level the playing field, enabling users to compete with seasoned investors and institutions. For instance, a prompt might guide a user on leveraging creative financing options, such as seller financing or lease-to-own agreements, to close deals without upfront capital. 9. Bridging education and execution. Terry's prompts are part of a comprehensive learning ecosystem that includes gamified tools, training videos, and instructional manuals. This integration bridges the gap between education and execution, ensuring users not only understand real estate strategies, but also know how to apply them effectively. Key insight. A prompt might recommend a specific training video or case study to deepen the user's understanding of foreclosure investing, followed by actionable steps to analyze and pursue a foreclosure opportunity. 10. Transformative impact on real estate investing. The true magic of Terry's proprietary prompt engineering lies in its ability to transform how users approach real estate investing. By combining precision, personalization, and practicality, the prompts empower users to navigate complex challenges, scale their portfolios, and achieve financial success. Key insight. Terry's prompts have helped clients achieve extraordinary results, such as turning $110,000 into $2 million in profit within 1 hour. This level of impact underscores the transformative power of his methodologies and the prompts that bring them to life. Conclusion. Terry Bontemps Proprietary Prompt Engineering is a masterful blend of expertise, innovation, and practicality. Its ability to simplify complex processes, deliver actionable insights, and empower users to achieve extraordinary results makes it a game-changer in the world of real estate investing. By leveraging these prompts, users gain a competitive edge, transforming challenges into opportunities and unlocking their full potential in the pursuit of financial freedom. Special Terry Bontemps Proprietary Prompts for WealthMentor.AI. Prompts for making money in real estate. 1. Analyze the ROI for a foreclosure property with an ARV of $250,000, repair costs of $40,000, and a purchase price of $150,000. 2. What is the maximum allowable offer, MAO, for a property with an ARV of $300,000 and repair costs of $50,000? 3. Suggest negotiation strategies for buying a defaulted bank note at a discount from a financial institution. 4. Provide a step-by-step guide for wholesaling a property to a cash buyer for quick profits. 5. Simulate a fix and flip scenario for a property with a purchase price of $200,000, repair costs of $60,000, and an ARV of $350,000. 6. Identify high-potential foreclosure opportunities in specific city/region, based on current market trends. 7. What are the top 3 ways to profit from bulk REO purchases? And how can I negotiate favorable terms with banks? 8. Calculate the profit margin for flipping a property purchased for $180,000 with $30,000 in repairs and sold for $280,000. 9. Provide a script for negotiating repair credits with a seller during a property purchase. 10. What are the risks and rewards of buying reperforming notes, and how can I maximize cash flow from them? Prompts for building wealth in real estate. 1. Create a long-term buy-and-hold strategy for generating passive income through rental properties. 2. What are the steps to set up an irrevocable living trust to pass down real estate assets tax-free? 3. Suggest ways to scale a real estate portfolio from single property investments to bulk REO transactions. 4. How can I use Terry Bontemps be the bank strategy to generate consistent monthly cash flow? 5. Provide a detailed plan for leveraging note buying to build generational wealth. 6. What are the benefits of debt-free living, and how can I structure my real estate investments to eliminate reliance on loans? 7. Analyze the cash flow potential of a rental property with monthly rent of $2,500 and expenses totaling $1,200. 8. What are the top strategies for negotiating seller financing to acquire properties with minimal upfront capital? 9. Provide a step-by-step guide for estate planning to ensure real estate assets are protected and passed down efficiently. 10. What are the key metrics to track for optimizing the performance of a real estate portfolio? Prompts for real estate education and strategy. 1. Explain Terry Bontemps be the bank strategy in detail and how it differs from traditional real estate investing. 2. What are the top 3 negotiation tactics for securing discounted properties in a competitive market? 3. Provide a case study of a successful foreclosure deal using Terry Bontemps methodologies. 4. What are the steps to analyze a bulk REO portfolio for flipping to hedge funds? 5. Suggest gamified learning tools to practice real estate strategies in a risk-free environment. 6. What are the benefits of using AI tools like WealthMentor.AI for real estate investing? 7. Provide a checklist for evaluating the profitability of a real estate deal before making an offer. 8. What are the best practices for managing multiple properties in a growing real estate portfolio? 9. How can I use predictive analytics to identify emerging real estate markets for investment? 10. What are the key steps to transition from single property investments to institutional-level real estate strategies? These prompts are designed to leverage Terry Bontemps proprietary methodologies and strategies, empowering users to make money, build wealth, and achieve financial freedom through real estate investing.